Hello. Today I'll be walking you through how to use our online sign-up page. But first, let's go over some benefits. Using an online sign-up page offers a multitude of advantages. Firstly, it streamlines the registration process, making it quick and convenient for users to join your platform or service. This ease of access can significantly boost user acquisition rates. Additionally, online sign-up pages can gather essential user data efficiently, helping you tailor your offerings and marketing strategies to target audiences more effectively. They also reduce the likelihood of errors in data entry, ensuring accurate information collection. Overall, leveraging online sign-up pages can enhance user experience, expand your customer base, and streamline administrative processes. To create an online sign-up form in our system, you can do so by selecting Campaigns on the navigation bar found on the left-hand side of the menu bar and then select Online Signups. To start the process, simply click on the How-To Guide button located in the top right corner and follow the steps. Our system collaborates with a third-party vendor known as TypeForm for the creation of online sign-up forms. This instructional guide will provide you with a step-by-step walkthrough on linking your OSP generated through TypeForm with our system. After you've successfully followed all the steps outlined in the guide, you can return to our system and proceed with the next set of instructions. In the How-To Guide, you should have already included your TypeForm token and connected your OSP to your account. However, if you haven't linked your OSP to your account yet, we will now walk you through that process. Within your account, you will select Link OSP in the top right corner and then fill out the following. Online signup page name. Enter a name for this online signup page. Description. Enter a description for you to easily identify this OSP. Select third-party service. This will be pre-filled for you, so you don't need to worry about this. Select form. If your token was connected correctly, you should find the name of your form here. Distribution list. Select the distribution list where the contacts will be stored once collected from your online sign-up form. Age restriction. Enter the minimum age for contacts to join these lists. And lastly, match data types. After choosing your form, this option will become available. Now choose the data field that corresponds to the question provided in your TypeForm OSP. Utilize the drop-down menu to align the data types with the appropriate data fields in your account. Keep in mind that you may need to establish custom data fields for your questions to ensure accurate data collection in the corresponding data field. The number of responses is limited according to the TypeForm plan. If you change the name of your TypeForm, you will need to link your OSP again. You can now enable your online sign-up form by clicking on Activate OSP located in the lower right corner. This will bring you to a pop-up that provides you with both your webhook URL and secret code. I will begin by clicking the Copy button and switching to my TypeForm tab. Then, I'll select Add a Webhook and paste the copied content here. Now, I'll return to my account, click the Copy button for the secret code, go back to TypeForm, choose Edit, and paste it in. After that, I'll save the changes. Next, you'll need to activate the webhook. Once that's done, you can return to your account and click OK. Your TypeForm is now linked and ready to collect data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.